Hey YouTube, so today I am going to be showing how to install the Zombe mod pack, which allows you to do a lot of awesome stuff, and one awesome thing is flying, which is the reason I like it. It's just the fly thing. There's a lot of other cool things. So once you get it, it should look like this right here. That's what it should look like. And then you have to extract all, and then make sure it's on your desktop, and then click extract. And if it doesn't show it, it should be around over here or something. Just look for a folder that's called Zombies Mod Pack. And then once you open it up, you should see all this stuff. And then we will just minimize that for now. Okay, so what you have to do is do %fdata %, just like in the last video. And go to .minecraft bin Minecraft and open with WinRAR. Or 7-zip. I like WinRAR better. And this mod is actually different from the other mods. You have to install it. Well, if you want to install other stuff like the mod loader or just stuff like, yeah, if you want to install the mod loader, do it before you get this, because if you install the mod loader after, then it'll disable the zone-based mod pack for some reason. I don't know why, but just get it before. So let's open that up, and then you bring it back up, and then you go into the classes folder, and you should see all of the class files. Then you just click the first one, and hold shift and click the bottom one, and then drag it into Minecraft.jar. Click OK. There we go. So now that we got that in there, you could quit out of Minecraft.jar. No, go back into the maze mod pack, and then go back to %fdata %, and go to .minecraft. Well, I want to show you guys something I recommend. So once you open %fdata %, right click the .minecraft folder, and then click send. Go to send to and desktop create shortcut. So now instead of typing %fdata % every time in there, you could just go to .minecraft shortcut, and then you're there, which is pretty cool. You don't have to do it, but I just recommend it. It's much easier. So then once you're there, you go into the config. Well, you can right now. You will have to. Okay, so create a new folder. Call it mods. Just call it mods. Then you go into the mods folder and create another new folder. Call it zombe, not zombie. Zombe, spelled Z-O-M-B-E. So now you go in there and drag everything in the config folder. You click on config, hold shift and click smelting, and drag it all in there. But you're not done yet. This is the harder part. So open up config. You could quit out of that for now. So you go into config, and there's a lot of text stuff. The cloud mod, which I don't know what that does. Cart mod, which makes you move carts with the arrow keys instead of just like having to be pushed in multiplayer or something. Compass mod, I don't know what that does. Craft mod, I don't know what that does. Fly mod, that is why we are here. Fly mod. So just keep scrolling down, and like you see that thing, and then there's another line of stuff. So then just keep scrolling down until it says fly mod, aka flying. So what you have to do first is take away that number thing right there. Right there. You have to take that away, just delete it. And then make sure it says yes. If it says no, change it to yes. So, we keep the toggle for fly, you could set that to anything you want. You can make it Z or Y. But I like Z because in the classic Minecraft, the fly mod for that, the fly mod is Z, and I'm used to that. And Q and E, I would keep that, but I just switched that. You don't have to do that. You could just set your controls to whatever you want. It doesn't matter. I mean, fly speed, I usually keep that at L shift, which is the left shift button. And then speed modifier is a toggle. I keep that at no, because if you make it yes, then you would press shift and you would keep speeding until you press shift again. But if it's a no, then you have to hold the left shift button. Okay, so now running speed modifier key, I would keep that the same as that. I just recommend it. You don't have to. That's just speeding on the ground instead of flying. Okay, so now over here, this is a no-clip mode. I don't really use that much. I don't really know much about it, but if you want to enable it, change that to yes. Just do that. Change it to yes. But I'm gonna keep it on no because we don't really need that. So running speed multiplier with speed modifier. Yeah, this is the part that confuses me because there's so much words and stuff, so I just gotta think of it. So the running speed multiplier with the speed modifier. I would usually change that to 3.5 if you want to go really fast. And vertical speed multiplier with run speed modifier. Let's keep that at 1.5. Well, let's go to 2.0. That is going up ladders and water and stuff. And that is running with the speed multiplier, not just flying, just running. Vertical movement speed, that's going up and down. I usually set that to 0.3. I always want it to be higher than normal. Except for the movement speed multiplier, that's just normal. So keep that at 1.0 unless if you always want to be speeding. But I want to keep it at 1.0. Okay, so movement speed multiplier with speed modifier. I think that's hang on. Yeah, this is the when you're flying, so I usually want to make that pretty big. Let's use 6.0. Well, okay, yeah, this is good. And this is what it's going to show in the top left corner of Minecraft, where it used to say what version Minecraft is, except it's going to say, whenever you activate flying, it'll say whatever you want. So we could even say, Mikey Pop is the awesomest person on Earth if he is flying, which he is. Yep, that's what we're going to do. In no clip, that's what it's going to say in the top left corner, just like this. So that is pretty much how you get it set up. Now let's go in-game and see if we did it right and see how awesome it is. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot this one thing that you have to do. So after you finished all the things with the text document and adding the numbers and stuff, then quit out of it and save, and then after that you will have to go into your .minecraft shortcut or do %update a % in there. And then you will go into bin and open Minecraft with 7-zipper WinRAR. Now this is very important. You have to delete the meta-inf because I just tested it and it wasn't working. I remember that you have to delete this. You should always delete this when you're getting mods. So delete files. Just right-click meta-inf, delete files. And there we go. It should be working now. So let's switch back to Minecraft. Okay, YouTube, back, and as you see, it worked. Before when I tried it, just showed a black screen, and I remembered we had to delete the meta-inf. So if you did that, it should come up normally, and then you just go to single player. Let's just create a new world. Let's title it Zombe Fly Test. Oh, it's storming outside. Hope it doesn't burn down my computer or break it down. Yeah, I don't want that to happen. Okay, so just building the terrain. And then we wait, and then okay, we are here. And now, if you press your command to toggle the fly on, which is normally set as F, so just press that button, and then let's just say, see up there, it says whatever you set your thing to make it say. The tag when you're flying. Mikey Pop is the awesomest person on Earth if he is flying, which he is. That is so true. I'm very awesome. So now you should be able to move, and you will just fly, which is pretty cool. So now the buttons that you set to go up and down, which is normally Q and E, press that, it'll go up and down. Oh, wait. But what you should do first is set your controls. You take that. I usually change it to C and then sneak make that control because the speed is shift. So change those to C, or change it to anything except E and shift. Okay. Oh, and one more thing. Make drop. I usually make that R. Just make it anything except Q. So never make any of the controls Q, E, or shift, and then you should be good. So now, if you hold E and Q, you should be able to go up and down, which is pretty awesome. And then if you hold down shift, you should be going much faster, which is pretty cool. And then if you use Q and E to go up and down and hold shift at the same time, they're really intense. It's awesome. Now let's disable flying right now. If you hold shift, you're going to be speed running, which is pretty cool. And this is what you are allowed to do on the server that me and Danny have. So if you want this money, you want to be able to speed hack on my server, then get it, and then you could speed hack, which is pretty cool. So on my server, you are allowed to speed hack just like this, what I'm doing right now. I will let you do on my server. But you can't fly around like this. But you can't fly around like this. You're not allowed to do this. Only admins can because they're awesome like that. So, this is pretty cool. I hope you liked this. And I hope it helped you very much. Please like this video so my channel can go boom. And I will see you guys later. Have awesome ending. No. They should also.